There is no human being born by woman that has extra reserved power that can make something woo to happen, unless we come together, create an idea that can destroy a nation. Nuclear weapon can wipe the whole Africa today, made by man. Only man creates weapon that can destroy this world. Oh, claim it can claim me get inferior. Mela has a say, well, men in the bishop, Buroku, I second watch it also Pope Buroku, I seen Nagichi in the Pope. One takere father did 25 years, be or sin Nagi, Chilozo, Balam, with the Palamon, Polyfolk among Nasu by Polyfolk and was here, Sepulana. 125 years, as only 60 years, Sepulana, call goes here. Abomination.
Now, this 2025 is a year of resetting some of our people's brain. You understand? Physical. I am very physical. You understand? Pay close attention and watch what Saint Isaac Ejiofor said. You understand? Cool down, learn. You understand? Help Omogi. I'm a come that now. They always complain. I comment section. In a talk, reality hit. You come and as an Oga, you check this place. On a here book now. You understand? Chapter 6. This is chapter 6, verse 6. But reality get hit this place. Why should get bendy? You understand? Pay close attention and listen to what Isaac Ejiofor said here. You understand? If you pay close attention very well, you're going to understand this something and implement it and help yourself and help your unborn children. You understand? Happen on that map one cup that one. He said, they're gonna know in comment section. Imana, about an boya as an oyisi na other mother place. Mana that's na me will be easy. So I get rid of for you gonna, you understand? You make a couple. Here they are away to cut on a wire chain or bogana psychotic this thing. Or Bondara. I reset your brain. Yeah, Yagazuga and peace and love. Because subscribe to my YouTube channel. Very important. Yagazuga and peace and love.
Jidaka nisigi kaimeche. Jidaka nisigi. Akanisigi. Repeat after me. Ndembo na ndegede. Repeat after me. Ndembo na ndegede. Ezuzu wom. Akpok wom. Bible Bible go mburu onanyim. Abaye go mburu onanyim. Ebe ona nsi Bible buru n'isim. Ndị iche biko anatawo mta. Bịa n'ebupia n'isim. More Exodus in the name, more Deuteronomy, Obadiah, more Habakkuk, Nehemiah. Hey, more within a Samson Jackana, but what to name? Anime bupianism tata. They come ne bupianism ta. Cosnism ponek, ponoye, ponaf, my ponam, Sena Hachuna and Dan. Say ngwa chidaka ni sota buria ne bupia pratica bupunzuzu nisi bupu face reality ngwa para pum bufuga my own. I'm a free man. Iko mo bonko kwalage bolom police pokwalage reality samana mo ina me yammo chimeni so kutab na anyere nwa virgin 7 days ka ogwa anyo ne mere ya akpoko ochia Elijah na ndamuma abara kpọkuruchie nwa virgin kpọkọ ochie agwa anyị sakpọzi na police afọ onye mere ya na bịa ebughari brain mụ na ụmụnne m amaka melon